Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install APK files on iOS. To clarify, APK files are designed for Android devices and cannot be directly installed on an iPhone. The steps I mentioned involve manipulating the APK file into an IPA format, which is the file format used for iOS applications. However, this process is neither straightforward nor guaranteed to work, and there are several risks involved, such as potentially violating terms of service and exposing your device to security threats. So Apple does not officially support installing APK files on an iPhone, and modifying the file in this way could result in issues with your device. Moreover, Apple's App Store policies restrict the installation of apps from untrusted sources, meaning the process may also void warranties or cause other problems. If you need an app that's available on Android and wish to use it on your iPhone, the best approach is to search for an iOS version of that app in the App Store. If no official version exists, it's best to look for alternative apps that offer similar functionality, or you can use an Android simulator app on your iPhone. If you still want to experiment with APK files, you would need to jailbreak your iPhone, which we don't recommend, which also comes with significant risks and legal concerns. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.